shrimp, carrot, brindleberry stew, or black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the shrimp recipes and one of the most unique of the prawn recipes and one of the most different of the carrot recipes and one of the most delicious of the brindleberry recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes. Today we're going to make pepper shrimp carrot stew. 400 to 500 grams of large tiger shrimp. You have to take off the shell and clean the intestines. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Chingdi, salt, saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Curry salt. Now put in a spoon of chili powder, a spoon of black pepper powder, a spoon of mix your spice, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in 2 brindleberries. Put in the shallot pieces. Put in salt to taste. Then we mix. Put in the cleaned and deveined shrimp. Thoroughly soften it. Shrimp with the rest of the mixture. Mix and let this mixture cook for once in the pressure cooker. Cooking for the required amount of time. Garnish with curry leaves. Now the black pepper, shrimp, carrot stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry stew, or black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry bowl, or kali mirch, Chingdi, Gajar, Masala. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the black pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the shrimp recipes and one of the most delicious of the prawn recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most unique of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.